Hi, I'm Sunny from the Local Interior. Welcome to this 4-room resale flat in Serangoon. This design was inspired by the homeowner's travel and the places they have stayed. They wanted different style across the home, but everything had to feel cohesive. For living room, the idea was to create a proper foyer area with an entrance sideboard and a shoe cabinet that could fit about 50 pairs of shoes. So we built a 3-panel floating shoe cabinet and a fluted panel beside it to act as a privacy partition while still allowing light to pass through. We also explore moving dining area out of the kitchen and into the living hall, which lead us to extending the space slightly into the master bedroom behind. This opened up a larger communal area, enough to fit the large L-shaped sofa that the homeowner wanted, while still keeping the layout open and easy to move through. Right next to the dining area, the original common bedroom was reworked into a glass enclosed study designed to stay flexible and double up as a future kids' bedroom. During the initial discussion, we explored a few layout options for the kitchen, from L-shape to U-shape to a galley. Since the homeowner cooked quite often, what became clear early was that the kitchen had to be highly functional but still made a statement within the home. That led us to go with a stainless steel countertop paired with shaker tiles to bring it the texture and a bit of colors. Behind the kitchen, the service yard was designed to be enclosable so it can be sealed off when they are cooking. We also transit from the shaker tiles to terrazzo flooring to define the two areas and build the carpentry around the garbage area to keep it hidden. In older flats, the common bathroom is tucked at the back of the kitchen near the service yard area, but here we didn't want it to feel like an afterthought. So we treat it more like a feature space using the mix of reddish brown subway tiles and shaker flooring to give it a warmer and more inviting feel. Moving into the master suite, one of the common bedrooms was converted into a rest area, while the original master was reworked into a walk-in wardrobe with an expanded bathroom. Within the bedroom, we carved out open shelving to display their bags collection and personal pieces. As you enter the wardrobe, this feature door created a more boutique-like experience, almost like stepping into a retail space. The expanded bathroom will follow a similar design language as the guest bathroom, but with green tiles to give it its own identity. We also introduced glass block between the sink and the shower area, which catch the light nicely and add a softer feel to the space. At the end of the day, what matters most is that homeowners are happy with the home, and that's how we know we got it right.